Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So children, today in this video I am going to explain you a new point from the lesson number 5, decimals, that is multiplication of decimals. So in that the first will come the multiplication by a whole number. So let us take one example here. I have taken one example, that is 42.21 into 6. As you see, the left side number it is a decimal number and the right side number it is a whole number. So no decimal point is there. To solve the multiplication of the decimals, first write down the first number as it is 42.21. Then put the multiplication sign, and here only one digit is there, then it will come in the ones place. So write down 6 downside. Okay. So see here, we have to solve these problems regularly as we solve the multiplication problems. So don't worry about this decimal point, just do the regular multiplication of the number, and in answer we are going to put the decimal point again. So do the multiplication now here. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 1 will go as a carry, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, again 1 will go as a carry, 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So this we did the normal multiplication. Then now we have to put the decimal point. So put the decimal point, just see the decimal point is there only in the first number. So after decimal point how many numbers are there? This one is 1, 2. There are 2 numbers. So we have to put the decimal point by leaving 2 numbers from the left to the right to the left. Okay, 1, 2, and then put the decimal point. So the answer is 253.26. Okay, so just write down the first number, write down the second number, put the multiplication sign, then do the normal multiplication here, and after that see the numbers, how many numbers are there after the decimal point, so that we have to leave such that numbers in the answer. Here after the decimal point 2 digits are there, so leave the 2 digits from the right to the left, 1, 2, then put the decimal point. So answer will come. So let us take one more example here. Write down the first number as it is, that is 121.081 into 3. So do the normal multiplication here. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 twos are 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Now see here, decimal point is here, and decimal after decimal point 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. Then before 3 numbers we have to put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, put the decimal point. So the answer is 363.243. I hope you understood this one. Let us go to the next question. That is, the next part is multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000. So here we studied about the multiplication by a whole number to the decimal. Then here we are going to study the multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 as well as by 1000. So first one example is 6.84 into 10. So see here children, just do one thing, write down the number as it is, remove the decimal point. To solve this directly, remove the decimal point and write down the number. 684 will come. Now how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. So we have to put the decimal point or transfer the decimal point. We have to transfer this decimal point 1 digit after. So see here, 1 0 is there means we have to transfer this decimal point to the right. If 1 0 means we have to leave the 1 number. If 2 zeros are there, we have to leave the 2 numbers. So only 1 0 is there and decimal point is here. So transfer this decimal point here. So answer will come 68.4. Let us take one more example here. This is 48.341 is there. So first step is write down the all numbers as it is, 48, 3, 4, 1. Then how many zeros are there? 1 0. So see here our decimal point is here. So we have to transfer this decimal point one side after. Okay. This decimal point we have to transfer here. Then it will become 483.41. So the third one example is here multiplication by 100 is there. 13.468 into 100 is there. So the first step is write down the all numbers as it is. Then count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros means we have to transfer this point, decimal point, 2 digits after. So it will become like this. So the answer is 1346.8. Then fourth one example. See here 21.210 into 100 is there. First step is write down all numbers one side. Then count the zeros, 2 zeros. Then transfer this decimal point to the right by leaving 2 numbers. So the decimal point will come here. So the answer is 2121.0. Then question number 5, 93.28 into 1000. So the first step is write down all numbers as it is. Then count the zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So here see here the decimal point is here. We have to transfer this 0 3 numbers after. So see here only 4 numbers are there. 2 numbers are there. Again one number we want. Then it will become, make it like fraction. Okay. Then put the decimal point again 0. So the answer will come 93,280.0. Sixth one question 101.121 into 1000. So write down all numbers 101, 121. Total zeros are 3. Decimal point is there. So transfer this decimal point here. Then it will become 1, 2, 3 decimal point 0. So answer will come 1,01,121.0. So the next is multiplication of two decimals. So see here the given two numbers are the decimals only. So see here to solve this type of example. From this write down the bigger number upside. So 3.12 is the biggest number, greater number here. Then the smaller number downside 2.8. Now see here we have to do the normal multiplication here. 8 to the 16. Don't worry about the decimal point. In answer we want the decimal points places. Okay. So 8 to the 16. 8 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 3 is 24. Then again here plus sign will come as we completed the ones place. Go to the tens place. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. Then add the numbers. 6 6 2 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now see here. Here also decimal point is there. Here also decimal point is there. So what we have to count here? We have to count after decimal point how many numbers are there. Here is 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal point before 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Here will come the decimal point. So the answer is, our answer will become 8.736. Let us take one more example. Second one example is 18.7 into 1.1521. So this number will come upside 1.1521 because in this decimal part numbers are till thousands place. So till thousands place and here only tens place is here. So write down this number upside, then downside put the multiplication sign and 18.7. Then do the multiplication. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35 plus 1 is 36, 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 is 8. Then put the multiplication sign or plus sign here. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 1 is 41, then 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then here 2 multiplication signs will come. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 fives are 5, 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. Then add the numbers. 7 is to 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, 6 6 are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer will come. See here, in after decimal point 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 here will come, that is answer will come 21.54427. so this is our answer. So if you understood this, I hope you understood this one. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.